Hi, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm so excited to share all my Kuswar preparations with you. I'm beginning with the rice marble preparations. Can you hear that satisfying crunch? That's the sound of perfectly fried rice marbles. This will make a perfect addition to your Kuswar platter. For the preparation, I have taken 1 coconut milk, half kg raw rice, 300 grams jaggery, half kg boiled rice, 6 cardamoms, 2 tablespoons of ghee and salt to taste. The rice has been soaking overnight and now ready for grinding. I'll grind the soaked rice along with salt, cardamom and jaggery using coconut milk. For best result, add hot water while grinding coconut to extract maximum juice from the coconut. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Now that the batter is ready, we'll pour it into a non-stick pan and start stirring over medium heat. Once the batter has cooled down, knead it gently. Watch how I do it here. It is important to get the right consistency for shaping them into marbles. Apply some ghee to your palm and shape the dough into small marbles. Please find the detailed recipe and all the tips in the description box since I cannot share everything while doing the video. This recipe yields about 1 kg 250 grams of rice marbles. In case you want a small portion, you can just divide the recipe by 2, which is good enough for a small family. If you want to share it with friends, then you will have to do it as per I mentioned in the recipe. When about half of the marbles are ready, we can begin frying them since each batch of frying takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to cover the remaining marble with a muslin cloth. This prevents them from drying out or cracking. Start frying the marbles on high heat initially, then reduce the flame to ensure they cook evenly from inside. Keep frying until they are beautiful golden brown in color as they darken a bit more on cooling. Do you know the technique how to enjoy this rice marble? If yes, write to me in comments. I would love to hear it. My technique is just pop one rice marble and then chew it for some time. As it gets softened, give a gentle bite and enjoy it. Keep a watch on the rice marbles. Do not over fry them. Just look here, the color has changed. I love that crunchy sound. They are so perfect. Find all the tips for storing this in the description box. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.